Class 10 Mathematics. I am R.S. Prasad sir. Today your chapter is 15 and that is the surface area and volume of solids. Let us start. So first of all, it is the face, edge and vertex. How can this one? ये क्यूब है, क्यूब में फेस, वर्टेक्स और एजेस बताने हैं. तो नंबर ऑफ फेसेस, देयर इज 6 फेसेस. So you can see here number of faces, that is the 6, and number of edges, you can see is this one. ऊपर की ये जो लाइनें दिख रही हैं ये हैं आपकी ये फेस, ये दिस वन इज योर एज. सो 4 यहाँ है, 4 इधर है और 4 नीचे, दैट इज द 12. On vertices, this is the vertices. You can see here vertices. So there is 8 vertex. So you can write number of vertex, which is equal to 8. Now come to the next one. So now come to the diagonal of the cube and cuboid. So length, breadth and height of this cuboid. So diagonal, you can write diagonal. The formula is L square plus B square plus H square. Diagonal of cuboid. Now diagonal of cube, it is A under root 3 because our length, breadth and height all are equal and that is 3. So you have to write like this. Now come to the example 1. In a cuboid, the length is given as 10 centimeters. That means L is equal to 10 centimeters. And the breadth is given as 4 centimeters. That is the B is equal to 4 centimeters. And the height is 5 centimeters. So you have to write height is equal to 5 centimeters. Find the length of the space diagonal of the cube. So diagonal, length of diagonal is equal to under root of L square plus B square plus H square. Now put the value. So L is given as 10 whole square and B is 4 whole square and H is 5 whole square. So now do the square. So it is the 100 and it is the 16 and it is 25. So you can add this. So 5 and 6, that is the 11. 5 and 6, 11 and either 2 and 1, 3 and 1, 4 and it is 1. So 141 is the, and now you can write the centimeter and that is the answer. Now come to the example 2. Calculate the length of faces diagonal and space diagonal of the cube having the side 6. Now A is given as 6 centimeter. First of the length of face diagonal. Length of face diagonal. It is A root 2. So A is given as 6. So 6 root 2 centimeter. Now diagonal of space diagonal. Space diagonal. That is the A root 3. So it is 6 root 3. You can check what is the space and what is the face. So you can see here, this is your cube or cuboid. So this one is the space diagonal and face diagonal is looking here. This one is the face diagonal. So you can say it is the face diagonal and length of face diagonal, that is the A root 2. And this is this one. It is space diagonal and length is A root 3. So you can do this one. Now come to the exercise 1. So cuboid of length 8 meters. So L is given as 8 meters and breadth is 4 meters. So you have to write 4 meters. B is 4 meters. And height is 2 meters. So you have to write height is 4 meters. Calculate the length of the all diagonals. All diagonals. So you can see here. First diagonal, that is the L1. So you can say L1 is 8, and that is the L square plus B square. It is your first diagonal. It is the L square plus B square. So L is 8 and whole square and 4 whole square. So that is the L1. Now it is the 64 and it is the 16. And कितना हो जाएगा ये 10, 6 and 4, 10, and it is the 7 and 1, 8. Under root 80 meter. It is the first answer. Now come to the second diagonal. It is the L square plus H square. So L is 8 whole square and H is 2 whole square. So it is 64 and 4. So that one is the under root 70 meters. So it is the second answer. Now the third diagonal, it is the under root of B square plus H square. So B is given as 4 whole square and H is 2 whole square. So under root, so that is the 16 plus 4 and that is under root of 20 meters. So it is the, now come to the space diagonal. Space diagonal, that is the capital L, and it is your under root of L square plus B square plus H square. Now put the value. L is 8 and B is 4 and H is 2. So 8 is 64, 4 is 16 and it is 4. So you can say it is 84 meters. Under root 84 meters, and that one is your answer. Now come to the second question. Calculate the length of the face diagonal of a cube whose side is 12 root 3 cm. Side is given as 12 root 3 centimeter. Now find the length of face diagonal. What is the length of face diagonal of the cube? So first of all, the length of face diagonal. Length of face diagonal. That is A root 4. A is 12 root 3 and root 3 is also, so it becomes 12 under root of 6 centimeter. So that one is your first answer. Now come to the length of the space diagonal. Length of the space diagonal. That is A root of 3. So A is given as 12 root 3 and here is root 3. So it becomes 12 into 3 and it is 36 centimeter. And that one is your answer. Now come to the next one. Calculate the length of the possible longest pole which can be placed in a room. The length is given as 10 meter and breadth is given as 10 meter and height is 5 meter. So longest pole, you can write here longest pole is equal to length of space diagonal. यही सबसे लंबा होगा यहाँ पे longest. So you can do the formula, you can apply the formula L square plus B square plus H square. Now write the L is given as 10, so whole square, and the B is also 10 and H is 5. So you can do the square. So 10 square, that is 100 and it is also 100 and it is 25. So it becomes 225, 225 and that is the 15 meter and the 15 meter. That is the answer. Now come to this one, cylinder. Cylinder, you can see the base is a circular, so area of base is pi r square and height is this and the volume. First of all, area of base, it is equal to pi r square volume of cylinder, that is the pi r square h. CSA curved surface area 2 pi r h and the TSA total surface area 2 pi r and r plus h. Now come to the exercise. What will be in your exercise? So example 3 is given here. The circumference of a base of a right circular cylinder is given as 2 pi 44 circumference, and circumference is 2 pi r, that is the 44 centimeter. It is given as 44 centimeter. Height is given as 10 centimeter. Calculate the curved surface area CSA find करना है and volume of the cylinder. Now first of all we want to know the radius. So 2 into pi is 22 upon 7, r is, that is the 44. So r becomes 44 into 7 and divided by 2 into 22. So 22 and this one cancel out. So we get r is equal to 7 centimeter. Now first of all we want to say the curved surface area. Curved surface area, that is the CSA. It is 2 pi r and h. So you can put the value. 2 pi r is whole given as 44 and h is given as 10. So your answer is 440 centimeter square, and that one is your first answer. Now the volume V is equal to pi r square h. Pi is 22 upon 7, r is 7 and h is given as 10. So you can say 22 upon 7 and it is 49 into 10. So you can multiply, divide to this 7 to the 14 and so on to the 14 and 115 and 10. That one is the centimeter square and it is your answer. Now come to the example number 4. Example number 4. Two right circular cylinders of the same height have their radii is 3 raised to 4. So that means r1 raised to r2 is equal to 3 raised to 4. Find the ratio of their volumes. Okay, now height is same, so h1 is equal to h2, that is the h. Let कर लिया हमने, मान लिया इसको, and let r1 is equal to, it is also let, it is 3r and r2 is equal to 4r. So ratio of their volume, ratio. So that is the V1 upon V2. So we can say pi r1 square h1 and here is pi r2 square h2. Now it is divided, pi is cancelled to this one. So r1 is given as 3r, so you have to write 3r square and h1 is h1. And here is the 4r square and h1 is h1. So you can write on 3 9r square. And here is the 16r square. R square will be cancelled. So we get 9 upon 16. So ratio is V1 raised to V2. That is the 9 raised to 16. And that one is your answer. Now come to the example 5. 4 science projects. ISA has to make a kaleidoscope with chart paper. So that is surface is cylindrical. What would be the area of the chart paper required by her if radius of kaleidoscope is 2.1 centimeter and height is 20 centimeter? So that one is the radius, r is given as 2.1 centimeter and height, that is the 20 centimeter. So if you want to do the area of paper, that means the total surface area. So total surface area, do you know total surface area? TSA, total surface area. It is the 2 pi r and r plus h. So 2 pi is 22 upon 7 and r is 2.1 and here is 2.1 plus h is, where h is 20. Now remove the decimal here and 7 1 ja 7, 7 3 ja 21. So 2 3 ja 6 and 6 2 ja 12 and 6 2 ja 12 and 130 upon 10 and here is, it is the adding this one, that is the 22.1. Now multiply to this and calculate. Now come to this calculation. So it is the 2917.2 and divided by 10. So it becomes 291.72 centimeter square. So that is the required of the paper. So area of chart paper, you can write here area of chart paper is equal to 291.72 centimeter square, and that will be your answer. Now come to the exercise 2. So radius of the base of a cylinder is 14 centimeter. It is given as 14 centimeter. So radius of base, so that is the R. R is equal to 14 centimeter. And the height is 10 centimeters. So you have to write H is equal to 10 centimeter. Find the area of curved surface and the total surface. Curved surface, that is the CSA. CSA is 2 pi RH. So you can calculate 2 pi is 22 upon 7 and R. You know R, it is 14 and H is given as 10. So 7 1 ja 7, 7 2 ja 14. So 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8 and 4 2 ja 8. So it is 880 centimeter square. That one is the first answer. Now TSA, total surface area, it is 2 pi R and R plus H. Now put the value. 2 pi is 22 upon 7 and R is how much? 14. And here is the R is 14 plus H is 10. So 7 1 ja 7, 7 2 ja 14. So it is 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8 and 4 2 ja 8, and here multiply to this one, it is 24. So now you can multiply this one, 8 and 24. So how much? It will be 2112 centimeter square. That one is your answer. Now come to the second question. The area of curved surface area of cylinder is 3696. So that is the CSA is given as 3696 centimeter square. If the radius of the base is 14 centimeter, radius of base, that is the R, is 14 centimeter. Find the height of the cylinder. That means you want to H. The CSA is 2 pi RH is equal to 3696. 2 pi is 22 upon 7 and R is 14 and H we want to find. It is 3696. So you can say 7 1 ja 7, 7 2 ja 14. So H will be equal to 3696 divided by 2 and 22 and once again 2. First of all, divide by 2. So 2 1 ja 2, 2 8 ja 16 and 2 4 ja 8 and 2 8 ja 16. Now once again by 2, 2 9 ja 18, 2 2 ja 4 and 2 4 ja 8. Once again by 2, 2 11 ja, so it is 2 4 ja 8 and 2 6 ja 12 and 2 2 ja 4. Now come to the 11. So 11 4 ja 44, 2 and 11 2 ja. So H will be equal to 42 centimeter, and that one is your answer. Now come to the third part. Area of curved surface of the cylinder whose height is 14 centimeter. H is given as 14 centimeter and curved surface area, that is the CSA, it is given as 88 centimeter square. Find the diameter of the cylinder. So diameter is the question mark. So first of all, formula of CSA is equal to 2 pi R and H. So apply the formula. 2 pi RH is given as 88. So 2 pi is 22 upon 7 and R is, we don't know R, and H is given as 14. And it is 88. So 7 1 ja 7 and 7 2 ja 14. So R will be equal to 88 divided by 2 into 22 into 2. Now, so 2 cancel, it is 44. Once again 2 cancel, it is 22 and once again 22, and it becomes radius is equal to 1. So diameter, you can find diameter is equal to 2 into R, and it is 2 into 1, that is the 2 centimeter, and that one is your answer. Now come to the second question. Diameter and height of the cylinder of pillar are given. So diameter is equal to 50 centimeter. Diameter and height of the cylinder of pillar is given as 50 centimeters. That is the diameter. So you can find the radius. Radius is equal to 50 divided by 2, and that is the 25 centimeter. And the 3.5 meter, and that is the height. So h is equal to 3.5. It is 3.5 meter. Now find the cost of the painting of the cut surface area. The rate is given as 12.50 per square meters. That means everything should be in meters. So it will be changed into meters. So it becomes 0.25 meters. Now the cut surface area, that is the CSA, rate is given. Rate is equal to rupees 12.50 per meter square. So it is the rate, you can write here. Now come to the CSA, it is the 2 pi R H. So 2 pi is 22 upon 7 and R is given as 25 and H is 3.5. It is 0.25. Now remove the decimal, 10 is here. So 7 5 ja and 5 2 ja and 2 ja cancel. So it is the 22 into 0.25. It is in meter square. So it is CSA. Now you can multiply to this one and get answer something. It is 5.5 meter square. It is CSA. Now the total cost is equal to CSA into rate. So CSA is given as 5.5 and rate is 12.50. So you can multiply to get the rupees. It is 68.75 rupees. So you can say the total cost is rupees 68.75 and that will be your answer. So you can do very well. Now come to the question number 5. Diameter of a roller is given as 84 centimeters. So diameter. So you have to write diameter is equal to 84 centimeters. So you have to find the radius. So 84 divided by 2. That is 2 4 ja 8 and 2 2 ja 4. So 42 centimeters. It takes a 500 revolutions. So number of revolutions, that is the 500. Roller level playground. Find the area of playground. So area of playground, first of all you can write the area of playground is equal to, length is given as 120 meters. So that means h is equal to 120 centimeters. Area of playground, that is the number of revolution, that is the n, and the cut surface area, that is the 2 pi r h. So now you can find this one. N is given as 500 and the 2 pi, 2 and pi is 22 upon 7. R is given as 42 and h is given as 120 centimeter and whole area centimeter square. So 7 1 ja 7 and 7 6 ja 42. Now multiply to all this one. So what will be happen into this? So it becomes 1584000. How many zeros? That is the 40. It is in centimeter square. Now change into meter square. So 1584000. You can divide it by 100 into 100. So it becomes in meter square. So 1 0 cancel to this. 1 0 is cancelled to this. and this 0 will be cancelled to this 0 will be cancelled to this, so it is the 1584 meter square, and that one will be answer. So it is the area of playground in meter square, so that answer is in meter square, so you can do very well. Now come to the sixth question. Find the volume of the cylinder of its radius is 3 centimeter. So R is given as 3 centimeter and height is also, that is the 14 centimeter. So you have to write 14 centimeter. So volume of cylinder, that is the pi R square H. Pi is 22 upon 7. R is given as 3 whole square and H is 14. So 7 1 ja 7 and 7 2 ja 14. 2 2 ja 4 and 2 2 ja 4 and 3 square, that is the 9. So 9 4 ja 36 and 9 4 ja 36 and 3 39 centimeter square. That one is your answer. Now come to the seventh question. The area of the base of the cylinder is given as. Area of base is given as 154 centimeter square and the height is given as 10 centimeter. Find its volume. So volume find करना है. So volume is equal to area of base into height. Area is base is given as 154 centimeter square and the height is 10. So your answer is 1540 centimeter cube. So that one is your answer. In this question, there is the answer not in square, it is in cube. So correct to this one. So it is in cube. ये आंसर यहाँ पे आपको करेक्ट करना है. इसकी यूनिट जो है आपकी कितनी दी हुई है, ये सेंटीमीटर क्यूब में होती है बच्चों. यूनिट ना, क्योंकि यहाँ पर भी सेंटीमीटर क्यूब में शो करना था, सो पीछे एरिया चल रहा था, इसलिए दैट इज द मिस्टेक, सम मिस्टेक. नाउ कम टू द eighth question. The circumference of the base of the cylinder is 88 centimeter and height is 10 centimeter. Find the volume. तो सबसे पहले circumference is 2 pi r. Circumference is given as 88, so we can find the radius. 22 upon 7 pi. R is equal to 88, so R will be equal to 88 into 7 divided by 2 into 22. So 22 4 ja and 2 2 ja, so R will be equal to 2 7 ja 14 centimeter. Now we want to find the volume. Volume is equal to pi R square H. Volume pi is 22 upon 7. R is 14 into 14 and H is given as, do you know H? H is equal to 10 centimeter. You can see here it is the 10 centimeter, so you can write 10. So 7 1 ja 7, 7 2 ja 14. So you can see here it is the 22 into 14 into 2 into 10. Now multiply to this and get the answer. It will be 6160 centimeter cube and that one is your answer. So you can do very well. It's a very easy question. Now come to the ninth question. Volume of cylinder is given as, so volume, that is the V, is given as 3080 centimeter cube and now height is given as 20 meter centimeter. Find the radius. Radius means R. R find करना है आपको. So volume of the cylinder, that is the pi R square H and it is given as 3080. Pi is 22 upon 7. R we don't know, but H is 20. So you can find the R square. It is 3080 into 7 and 22 is down and 20 is also. So 0 cancel with 0. So 2 1 ja 2 and 2 5 ja 10 and 2 4 ja. Now come to the 11 2 ja. This one 22 and 11 1 ja 11 and 11 4 ja this one. So 2 1 ja 2 and 2 7 ja. So R square is equal to 49. So R will be equal to under root of 49. So R is equal to 7 centimeter and that one is your answer. Now come to the question number 10. 11 liter juice is filled in a cylinder vessel of height 35 centimeters. So h is equal to 35 centimeters. Find the diameter of the jar. So volume is given as how much? It is 11 liter. Liter change into centimeters cube. So 11 into 1000 centimeter cube. So that is the volume. And here is the height is given. We want to find the radius. First of all radius, then diameter. As you know, volume formula is pi r square h. That is the cylinder. So volume of cylinder is pi r square h. So volume V is given as 1 into 1000. Pi is 22 upon 7 and r we want to find, and h is 35 centimeters. So r square will be equal to 11 into 1000 and into 7 and divided by 22 into 35. Now 7 5 ja 35 and 11 2 ja this one. So 5 2 ja 10. So 1 0 is cancelled out. So we get r square equal to 100. So now we can find the r is equal to square root of 100. So r is equal to 10 centimeters. So we can find the diameter. Diameter of the base, that is the 2r. So 2 into r is 10. So it will be 20 centimeters. So that one is your answer. Now come to the 11th question. A thin cylindrical tin container contains 1 liter paint. इसके अंदर 1 liter paint है. If the diameter of tin is 14 centimeters, so you can find the radius. It is 14 by 2, that is 7 centimeters. What is the height of the tin? So h find करना है हमें. Volume is given as 1 liter. Volume is given as 1 liter and it is converted into centimeter cube, that is the 1000 centimeter cube. As you know, 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. Now volume is given, so we can apply the formula. V is equal to pi r square h. Now volume is given as 1000, pi is 22 upon 7 and r is given as 7. So 7 into 7 and h, we want to find the h. So 7 cancel with 7. So h will be equal to 1000 divided by 22 into 7. So what will be happen? It will be 11 and 2 5 ja, so 500. 500 upon 77. So h will be equal to 500 upon 77. So you can divide this one. It will be 6.25 near about centimeter. So that will be your answer. Now come to the 12th question. A patient in a hospital is given soup daily in a cylindrical bowl of a diameter 7 centimeters. So diameter, so we can find the radius 7 upon 2 centimeters. It is the just half of the diameter. Now the bowl is filled with the soup of height 4 centimeters. So that means h is given as 4 centimeters. How much soup of the soup the hospital has to be prepared daily to serve 50%. So number of percent, that is the n, you can say 50%. Now find the volume. So volume, required volume is equal to number of percent and the volume of the bowl, that the pi r square h. Now put the value. N is equal to 50, pi is 22 upon 7, r is 7 by 2 and whole square, and h is given as 4. Now we can calculate it. So 50 into 22 upon 7 and here is 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into 4. So 2 2 ja 4 and 2 1 ja 2. Once again 7 cancel with 7. So we get, and here is, it is 50 into 22 into 7. So you can multiply to this and get the answer. It is 7700 centimeter cube. So that one is your answer. You can do very well. Now come to the 13th question. 18-meter long thin wire is drawn by melting a copper rod by diameter is 1 meter and length of 8 meter. Calculate the thickness of the wire. 18-meter long, so L is given as 18 meter. L is given as 18 meter, so you can say it is H. So H1, so R1 we want to find, and the rod के लिए we can say the R2 diameter is 1 meter is given, so 1 upon 2, that is the 0.5 meter, and length is given as, that is the H2, height is here, it is the 8 meter. Now we want to find the radius of this one. How can find the radius? In this case, you can say volume of wires. You can write here volume of wire is equal to volume of which one? Volume of rod. So volume of wire, that is the pi R1 square H1, and here is pi R2 square H2. Now pi will be cancelled out. Put the value of R1 we don't know, and H1 is the 18, and here is R2 is 0.5 whole square, and H2 is given as 8. So you can calculate R1 square is equal to 0.5 into 0.5 into 8 and divided by 18. Now remove the decimal and put the 100. Now what will be happen? So 2 4 ja 8 and 2 9 ja 18. 5 2 ja 10 and 5 4 ja 24. 4 will be cancelled out. So R1 square is equal to 1 upon 9. So R1 is equal to under root of 1 upon 9. So R1 is equal to 1 by 3. But we want to know the thickness of wire. It is 2R1. So that the 2 into 1 by 3. So that is 2 by 3 centimeter. It is in meter, not centimeter. So you can write here in meter. 2 by 3 meter, and that one is your answer. Now come to the 14th question. A well has been dug whose radius is 7 meter. So radius is equal to 7 meter, and which is 20 meter deep. So height is given as 20 meter. A 22 meter into 14 meter this platform has been constructed from the soil excavated when digging the well. Find the height of the platform. That means ये कुएं की मिट्टी निकाल करके, ये कुआं है हमारा, इसकी मिट्टी निकाल करके एक क्यूबॉइड फॉर्म कर रहे हैं. दिस इज क्यूबॉइड. इसकी मिट्टी यहाँ डाल रहे हैं, तो ये क्यूबॉइड की हाइट बतानी है कितनी है. सपोज इट इज H1. ये H1 कैलकुलेट करना है. इसकी L1 और B1 given है 22 and 14 meter. So now you can write here L1 is given as 22 meter and the B1 is also given as it is 14 meter. Now H1 find करना. Now the volume of cylinder is equal to volume of cuboid. Now calculate the formula is the pi R square H is equal to, it is the L1, B1 and H1. Now put the value of it is 22 upon 7. R is given as 7 into 7 and H is 20. Here is the L is 22 and B1 is, that is the 14, and H1 we want to find. So 7 cancelled to this 7. So we can say H1 is equal to 22 into 7 into 20. and here is 22 into 40. So 22 will be cancelled, and 7 2 are 14 and 2 1 are 2 and 2 10 are. So height h1 is equal to 10 meter, and that one is your answer. Now come to the 27 number question. How many coins? How many coins of diameter 1.75 centimeter and thickness 2 centimeter can be made by melting a cuboid of side 5.5 centimeter, 10 centimeter and 3.5 centimeter. So diameter of coin is given, so you can write the radius. Radius is just half of this one, so 1.75 by 2 centimeter. It is radius, and the thickness, that is the height. Height is given as 2 centimeter. And the length L1 is 5.5 centimeter, and the B1, that is the 10 centimeter, and the H1 it is given as 3.5 centimeter. So volume, here is number of coins. We want to find the how many numbers, so number of coins. So you have to write number of coins. So that is the volume of cuboid, and upon volume of one coin. So volume of cuboid, that is the L1, B1 and H1, and this one is the pi r square h. Now put the value. L1 is given as 5.5 centimeter, B1 is 10 and H1 is 3.5, and pi is 22 upon 7. R1 is how much? So 1.75 by 2 and 1.75 by 2. And H, that is the 2. So 2 will be cancelled out here. Now we can calculate it. How much? Now remove the decimal and put the 0, 1 double 0 and once again 1 double 0. And here we can remove the decimal and put the 0, and that is the double 0. So double 0 cancel with double 0. So now calculate this one. First of all, it is 55 into 10 into 35 into 100 into 7 and divided by, ये 7 ऊपर चला जाएगा, 2 भी ऊपर चला जाएगा आपका, और यहाँ पे क्या बच जाएगा? It is 22 175 into 175. इतना बच गया है. अब आपको कैलकुलेट करना है. So 2 1 जा 2 and 2 11 जा, so 11 1 जा 11 and 11 5 जा. Once again multiply by this one. So 5 3 ja 15 and 5 3 ja 15 and 1 2 here. So 5 5 ja 25 and 5 2 ja, that is the 20. 7 5 ja and 5 4 ja. So once again cancel by 5 5 2 3 ja 15 and 5 5 ja 25. 35 will be cancelled out. So we get only how much? It is 10. और क्या बच गया? यहाँ से 10 बचा हुआ है बच्चों, और यहाँ पर केवल 4 बचा हुआ है. That is the 4th point. So that will be your answer. So you can do very carefully. Now come to the 16. Volume and curved surface area of a cylinder is given as. First of all, volume. Volume V is given as how much? 24750 centimeter cube. And the curved surface area CSA is given as, it is 3300 centimeter square respectively. Find the height and the radius. That means आपको h भी फाइंड करना है और r भी फाइंड करना है. So volume, do you know the volume? That is the pi r square h is equal to 24750, and that one is the equation first. And here is 2 pi r h is equal to 3300 centimeter square. That is the equation second. First equation divided by second. Equation first divided by equation second. So what will be happen? So pi r square h, here is 2 pi r h is equal to 24750 upon 3300. So 0 cancel with 0. Now 3 1 ja 0. So once again here 3 8 ja 24 and 3 2 ja 6 and 3 5 ja 15. Once again it is the 5. So 5 2 ja 10 and 5 2 ja 10. And here is the 5 1 ja 5 3 5 6 ja 30 and 5 5 ja 25. Once again by 11 2 ja, and here is 11 1 ja 11 and 11 5 ja. And here you can see pi is cancelled to this one, and 1 r is cancelled to this one, and 1 h is cancelled to this one. So we get here r by 2 is equal to 15 by 2. So 2 cancelled to, so r is equal to 15 centimeter. So first answer. Now put the value of r in any equation. Put the value of r in equation second में रखना चाह रहा हूं मैं. 2 into 22 upon 7, r is 15 and we want to h. H is equal to 3300. Now h, how can find the h? H is equal to, now come to the h. H will be equal to 3300 into 7 and divided by 2 into 22 and into 15. So now calculate this one. So it is the 11 2 ja and 11 3 ja. So it is 300. Now 15 2 ja 30, so 20. Now 2 10 ja and 2 5 ja. So here is h is equal to 7 into 5, that is the 35 centimeter. So you can see here the two answer. Radius of this one is 15 centimeter and height of this cylinder is 35 centimeter. And you can see here इस क्वेश्चन में हाइट और रेडियस ही फाइंड करने को कहा गया था. ये एक्सरसाइज समाप्त हो रही है. नीचे ये लाल रंग का बटन दिखाई दे रहा है, सब्सक्राइब करेंगे दबा करके इसको, और ज्यादा से ज्यादा बच्चों को शेयर करेंगे जिससे ज्यादा बच्चों का फायदा हो सके. और कम से कम मेरे वीडियो को लाइक भी कर दीजिए जिससे मेरे को पता चलता रहे कि हाँ आप लोग मेरा वीडियो देख रहे हैं. और कुछ कमेंट भी किया करो, क्या कुछ रह गया, क्या कुछ इम्प्रूव करना है. थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे. इसी के साथ मैं RS प्रसाद सर आज का वीडियो यहीं समाप्त करता हूँ.